Promotion, your go-to channel for all things nursing. I'm Manish Kumar, and today, we are diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to practice nursing in Dubai, the DHA exam. Stick around because I'm going to tell you exactly what type of questions you can expect and how to ace them. What is the DHA exam? So, first things first, what is the DHA exam? The Dubai Health Authority, DHA, exam is a licensing test that all nurses must pass to work in Dubai. It's designed to ensure you have the knowledge and skills necessary to provide high-quality care to patients. Now, let's break down the types of questions you'll encounter in the DHA exam. 1. Multiple choice questions, MCQs, written on it. Number 1. Multiple choice questions, or MCQs. These are the bread and butter of the DHA exam. You'll get a clinical scenario followed by several options. Your job is to pick the most appropriate answer. These questions test your clinical knowledge and decision-making skills. 2. True-false questions written on it. Next up, true-false questions. These are straightforward. You'll need to determine if a statement is correct or not. These questions often test your understanding of basic nursing principles and facts. 3. Case studies written on it. Number 3. Case studies. These are more detailed and involve complex clinical scenarios. You'll analyze the case and answer a series of related questions. This section tests your critical thinking and clinical application skills. 4. Image-based questions written on it. Moving on to image-based questions. You'll see images like X-rays, ECGs, or photos of clinical conditions. Your task is to interpret these images and answer related questions. These questions assess your diagnostic skills and visual acuity. 5. Procedure-based questions written on it. Procedure-based questions are next. These questions focus on your knowledge of nursing procedures, such as fore insertions, wound care, and medication administration. They test your practical nursing skills. 6. Ethics and professionalism questions written on it. And finally, ethics and professionalism questions. These questions evaluate your understanding of professional conduct, ethical principles, and legal considerations in nursing practice. So, there you have it. The DHA exam covers a wide range of topics, but with the right preparation, you can definitely ace it. Here are a few tips to help you get started. Tips for preparing for the DHA exam. 1. Study smart. Focus on high-yield topics and use reliable study materials. 2. Practice MCQs. The more practice questions you do, the better prepared you'll be. 3. Understand the concepts. Don't just memorize, understand why answers are correct. 4. Take care of yourself. Get plenty of rest and stay hydrated, especially before the exam. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Nursing Promotion for more tips and guides. Good luck with your DHA exam, and remember, you've got this.